Well, hello everybody, it's Rose, and I'm back with the fourth unbagging of an order of 8 special shapes or small crystal diamond paintings that I made from CESDeals. Now, let's reach into the goodie bag and see what we get. All right. Now, let me just... This is the code, 295317. 295317. Okay. So this is one that I call B. And you will see why in just a moment. Let's figure out where to cut it open. All right. This is one that does not have a lot of diamondage, I must say. There's not really that much to drill, but it's such a cute picture. So before I get into all that, let me show you the kit. So I get a boat, some wax, 2 baggies. I think that's 2. Yeah, that's 2 baggies. And just a regular pink pen. Ooh, already I'm liking the drills. Woohoo! All right. So before I show you, I'm just going to roll it back on itself. There we go. All right. Okay, so this is what I call B. And as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking that this one would actually... If you have any kind of dexterity problems, this one might be a nice one for you. Now, some of these little diamonds in here might be difficult to place, but this could be something that would be fun either for a child who's just starting out with diamond painting, or for somebody who, you know, has arthritis, maybe, I don't know. But certainly, you know, if you're looking for something to give your grandmother or mother or whatever, somebody who, you know, somebody who might be interested in diamond painting, I think this one might be a nice one to try. So let's just flatten it out. And it'll flatten more when I've got it in my storage system, because it'll be flat with others pressed up against it, so it'll be fine. Okay, now this is supposed to be 30 by 30. My bet is that it's more like 24 by 24. Let's see. And again, since it's a partial, it doesn't really matter, but yeah, it's 24 by 24 is the size of frame that you would need to get for this if you ever wanted to frame it. I won't, but you know, it's kind of cute. All right, so I got this from CESDeals. I ordered it on June 28th. It was shipped on June 30th, and I received it on July 10th. So that's super fast shipping from China. This is the 172 diamond painting that I've ordered. 172, and this is B. And it's 24 by 24, and it's special shapes from CESDeals. Okay, I'll show you the legend, and I'll do a better demo or showing of the drill field. So here we have 10 colors, well, 10 different kinds of diamonds, and there's a lot of really big ones on here, which is kind of interesting and fun. So this will be a relatively easy diamond painting to do. It won't take too long, but there's enough there that, you know, for as long as it does take to do, it'll be fun. And I'm sure it'll look beautiful when it's done. And look at that, they give you 2 legends, which is great. Okay, so let's now open up the drills and take a look at them. So before I do that, I'm going to tell you how much I paid for this. So this was part of my buy four, get one free, because CESDeals has a bunch of different offers. They have a set of diamond paintings that you can choose any 3 and get them for $10 USD. That works out to $13.28 Canadian, or $4.43 or 42 cents Canadian, or $3.33 American per painting. Or you can get 4 diamond paintings and the 5th one is free. Now, it doesn't matter. If you go with the buy 4, get 1 free, you can buy any diamond paintings you want. The cheapest one is free. What I did with this order to get my 8 was I bought 3 from the buy 3 and pay $10 USD for it. So I got, I think, all of them cheaper than I would have gotten them if I had paid full price for them. And then this was part of my 5 that I chose. All of them cost, hold on. All of them, the regular price was $4.99 US, or $6.64 Canadian. So I got them for about $1.30 Canadian less, which works out to about $1 US less than if I had not bought 5. So, you know, because I like buying diamond paintings, that is my fun thing to do apart from diamond painting and hanging out with my friends and stuff. I buy in bulk because it's cheaper. Okay. So I'm supposed to have 10 bags. Let me just count these first. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's start with number 10. So this is the great big red diamonds. Those are big. That's cute. Okay, and then we have this, which is the lovely turquoisey green. Lovely, lovely, lovely crystals. Ooh, okay. So again, I love these. These are the polychromatic. They're pink and yellow and green and orange. And they are they faceted? Yes, these are faceted. And then we have another like bluey green crystal drill. So that's lovely. And then here we have the polychromatic faceted purple with green and blue. Very, very nice. Ooh, and here, look at this. Bright yellow, great big drills. That's going to be fun too. Then we have number 7. Oh, I forgot to put on the flash, but I'm sure you understand. These are very sparkly. So yeah, these are beautiful blue, deep blue. And then we have the yellow for the bee. That's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. That's going to be so bright and sparkly. Yay! I love my sparkle. And then we have this, which is, holy smokes, that is like, I don't know, almost a violet. It's like a super deep blue, but it's almost got some purple to it. Okay, and then we have this orange crystal drill as well. So there you go. That is the bee. It looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to do, but I think all special shapes and crystal diamond paintings are fun to do. And I'm very happy with it for $5.31 Canadian. I figure you can't go wrong. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment. And don't forget to ring the bell so that you always know when I've posted something. Okay? Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye until next time.